This week on Rescue Vet, I'm returning to Ukraine to continue to help the innocent victims of war.
We're gonna fix you up.
Many lost and abandoned animals are desperately trying to survive here. Our mission is to rescue as many as we can and to help people bravely caring for the animals trapped close to the front lines. And there's a rare, happy reunion for one lucky family.
I literally can't get the smile off my face. That was absolutely gorgeous.
I'm Dr. Scott, and this is War Vet.
So Ukraine.
I'm heading to the northeastern city of Kharkiv, just 20 miles from the border with Russia.
I'm here in the Saltivka area of Kharkiv, and it was attacked mercilessly by the Russian troops at the start of the war. Between March and May 2022, this area was being bombarded. It's hard to imagine if you're just sitting in your apartment with your family. A lot of this area is families. And then missiles start coming through your window. They just sort of had no chance to escape. It must have been so frightening.
The bombing has not just devastated Kharkiv's people, leaving countless homeless, but its animals too. The destruction puts all here at risk of starvation and disease.
Hi, Scott. Very nice to meet you.
So today I'm joining Yaryna and Ruslan from local rescue group ARC on a mission to evacuate animals from the front line.
So Ruslan, where are we going today?
Today we go to Volchansk.
Volchansk.
Yeah.
And what kind of animals need rescuing from Volchansk?
Dogs, puppies,
Puppies?
many puppies.
Wow.
And I hope kittens.
And kittens as well. Okay, beautiful.
A look at the map is a sobering reality check.
So I've just had a little look on the map of where Volchansk is, and you can see this dotted line here, that is the Russian border, which is only about 1,500 meters away, and that is in the range of small arms fire, so it's a very dangerous place.
Our first stop is an abandoned farmhouse where a dog has been living alone since its family fled the fighting a year ago.
Ah, yeah, leads. Excellent. Ah, Ukrainian lead as well. Very good.
Ukrainian.
Perfect. Hi. Hi. Oh, puppy. It's okay. Hi. What's her name?
Isa.
Isa.
Mother Isa.
Okay. Isa.
Neighbours have been giving Isa food, but a longer-term solution needs to be found.
Okay, Isa. Isa. There we go. Okay. Yeah, you were good, but you weren't that good.
But there's a reason why this girl's on guard. She's just had a litter of puppies and hidden them in this shed.
Oh my gosh.
Part of them died.
Oh no. Oh dear. Some of them don't look alive, unfortunately. Oh, baby. This one's alive. Hello, gorgeous. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Another one.
Only 3 of Isa's puppies have survived.
Hello, babies. Yeah. Okay. Hey, baby. There you go. There we go. Good girl. Good girl. Sadly, 2 of them didn't make it, but the unfortunate part of the war is that not all can be saved, but these 4 souls have been saved. Hey, haven't you? Yes, yes. And hopefully they'll be reunited with their owner, which will be amazing. Okay. And where are we off to next?
Next, we have one request. Pick up a kitten.
Kitten?
Kitten.
Perfect.
I like a kitten.
Yeah. Honestly, I think everyone likes kittens. Yes, that's a universal international rule.
These villagers have found a litter of newborn kittens in an empty neighbouring property.
Hello. Oh, you've got the kittens? Hi. What's this?
Дивіться.
Hi. Hi, babies. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look at that.
Smell milk.
Mwah. Hi, babies. Oh, they're beautiful. Look. Amazing. Oh, look. Have the last one. Ah, wow. Wonderful. So, what have we got? 2, 5, 7 kittens.
7 kittens.
Is there any more? Or that's it? 7?
We have one more,
1 more. Okay.
but we need kitchen.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right. Well, let's put them back. Wow. Well done. So she's done most of the hard work, and we've just got 1 to go.
Whiskey.
Despite our best efforts to find the shy kitten, sadly we have to leave the shed empty-handed.
Can't find it. No. On to the next one. Next. Let's go. Ooh.
But it's still an
It's okay.
impressive
It's
haul.
Okay. This is Bonya. Bonya.
It's hard for the villagers to let their animals go.
Okay. Perfect.
But as one of the last remaining families in the area, they've got many more mouths to feed.
We have 5 dogs and we take care
And
of-
20 cats.
They've got 5 dogs and 20 cats, notwithstanding the ones that we've just taken. And they share their food with the animals. Wow. Amazing.
Rescue worker Ruslan has been saving animals on the front line since the start of the war.
And what were you doing before the war?
I worked tires meister.
Tires?
Yeah.
You fitted tires?
Yeah.
How many animals has ARC rescued?
12,000.
12,000.
12,000.
That's amazing. 12,000 lives.
Yeah.
It's incredible.
And it's not long before we add more to that count. Another Good Samaritan has found a mum and 7 puppies living in a derelict house.
So this lady just explained that these puppies were near bags of trash. So they were picked up. Oh, bless them. You're very cute, but you're very stinky. Yes. They've got parasites. They're clearly full of worms. They're going to need a little bit of help, but they're very happy and they're very pretty. And this must be Mum. Hello, baby. Hello. Hello, darling. Let's help you. Hello, baby. Hello. What's happened to your face? Oh, mange. There you go. No, thank you. And 3. Amazing. That's it. Here you go. His arms full of love. So nice. Go on then, join your brothers and sisters. Here, last one. Good puppies. My goodness. And does Mummy have a name?
Zuzha.
Zuzha. Yes. Hi, Zuzha. Hey, baby. Hi. Oh, we're gonna fix you up. We're gonna fix you. You're so nice. So lovely. Very thin. Very thin. Good. Well done. Good girl. That's okay, baby. You won't be in there for long. Just keeps going. It's just animals, 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 babies, puppies, kittens, and beautiful Ukrainian people doing a wonderful job.
Without access to veterinary services, the animal population here has exploded, and without help, like Isa's puppies, many will die,
Couple of minutes.
leaving the elderly villagers who stayed behind struggling to cope.
Hello. Hi, puppies. How many of these animals does she want us to take? Another one. Whew, okay. It's raining puppies in Ukraine today.
Yes.
Come on, then. Come on. That's it. Well done. Let me put these puppies in. Have you got some space there, sir? Oh, yes. 7 dogs from one house. The amount of young animals on the front line is just out of control.
With 16 puppies, 7 kittens and 3 dogs, our animal rescue mission marathon has come to an end. But Ruslan has one last stop to make. To replace a battered Ukrainian flag on a roadside memorial. It's just a kilometre away from the border. Despite being in line of sight of Russian troops, I can't watch this brave show of defiance without wanting to lend a hand.
Together we stand.
After all the courage and compassion I've witnessed here on the front line, I'm proud to stand with the people of Ukraine.
Slava Ukraine.
After a 2-hour drive, we're back at ARC's base in Kharkiv.
Good girl, that's it, good girl. Come on, good girl. Alright, so I'll bring the puppies in here.
Helping me to assess and treat all the animals is local vet Jenna.
Alright, so what are we thinking?
It had some infection here.
Yes.
And first up is mum of 7, Zuzha.
A lot of milk.
Yes, so she's got a lot of puppies, that's why. Yeah, but yeah, you're just a bit scabby, but you're very nice, aren't you? So I think we could do with just cleaning some of these, and then I think anti-parasite treatment, anti-worming treatment, and I think she's pretty good to go.
But before this gentle dog can be treated for her skin infection, she first needs a good old wash.
You know what it's like when you've been roughing it for a while, you just want a shower. That's exactly what I'm going to give her. That. Look at all that dirt coming off. Eh? Yeah, so this is Zuzha. Zuzha, she's been zhuzhed. They say, you know, like, do you know what I mean? Like, I look beautiful now. Zuzha's been zhuzhed. Okay, baby. Ready? Down the hatch. Be a good girl. Ready? Well done.
After a worming and flea tablet, it's time to move on to Zhuzha's babies.
Yuck. Disgusting. Disgusting puppy. Look. Yeah, I told you, I warned you. Right, let's go. Gianna, you do all these years in vet school and then we become hairdressers for dogs.
After seeing so much devastation, the simple act of washing this tiny new life is healing for the soul.
You happy with that? Not really. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I love you too. I love you too. Yeah. I love you. Wow. You ready? Here we go. Here she is. There you go, boo-boo. Here we go.
2 puppies down, and it's time to take a break to examine our other tiny patients.
You ready? Just be warned.
One moment.
They're so cute.
Oh my god.
I told you.
That was so sweet.
Hold that one. Now some of them I think have got calicivirus. There are a few sneezes in the mix.
It's a boy.
Hi baby. What are
First
you?
up, each kitten needs to be checked for signs of cat flu.
Listen to their chests. Okay, good. So they're both very healthy ones, those two.
Before giving them some much needed worming medication.
Now they're not going to like this, but there we go. No one likes their medicine. Whoopsie. There we go. I know.
Really tasty.
Yummy. Right, next one. Yummy. Good kittens. Okay, so that's those two done. Oh, I love black cats.
Oh my god. But he's okay. No.
He's amazing, but he's got cat flu. You can see the snotty discharge there, bless him. So he's a bit unwell. It's okay, honey. Yeah, they're so full of worms. I can feel their tummies just writhing. Yeah. So it's a common thing you see in stray cats across the world is cat flu, and this cat unfortunately has it. And so we're going to be separating this kitten from its brothers and sisters. We probably will find that some of the others will have the condition as well, but better safe than sorry. Okay, go on then. Who's next? There you go. Hi baby. Oh, so this one you can see. Can we get the same pad and we'll just wipe the eye clean? Thank you. Oh baby, so you can see there. Thank you. All right. All right, honey. Let's just get that eye open. There we go. Oh, okay. Okay. Me? Okay. No. Ugh, yuck. There we go.
And you need to go to box. Is that all?
That's it. So 5 in there, 2 there, sick ones, healthy ones.
Hopefully, in a few days' time, the 2 sick kittens will be able to rejoin their adorable siblings.
And there you are. Already sniffing out the surroundings, having a little munch. Certainly far safer than where they were before.
wonderful turn of events, Yaryna has managed to track down the owner of Isa, the first dog and her puppies we rescued earlier.
So just the most incredible thing in that we were able to reunite a family with their dog. These people are from Vintoniuk and they had to leave without their dog, and now we're going to give it back to them.
Isa's family has now settled into a new home in Kharkiv, where they can finally be reunited.
You ready? Isa's going to come home.
Isa and her family haven't seen each other in over a year. And there's another surprise in store for them.
Puppy each. So that's a little, so girl, Yaryna. This one. Oh, there we go. This one, Scott.
What? Like what?
This one. This one's Scott. Mwah. Are you? There you go, all yours. Mwah, mwah. Bye. Got you. Do you want Scott? There you go. Congratulations. So glad for you. I literally can't get the smile off my face. That was absolutely gorgeous. That was a family, Vala and her 3 daughters, and we've just rehomed Isa and her 3 puppies back to them. They haven't seen that dog in a whole year. And now their family's complete. Well, plus 3 new puppies.